Is that a discount price for SMCI? Are we gonna have a reversal? Because we've got mixed feeling and mixed signals right now from the market with SMCI about the SEC deadline coming near. And of course, Goldman Sachs raised its price target for SMCI around the $36. So this is good. And of course, we have a bit of anticipation for this deadline for SMCI. And of course, now we got near the breakout that happened early before this major jump that we have here around Friday, around the Valentine Day, 14th of February. We have a huge jump, and now we retest this critical level, guys, for SMCI. So if you missed the trade or missed buying SMCI 50%, right now we have a discount 50% for SMCI after those kind of news and fear in the market. As you can see, most stocks are pulling back right now. Even Palantir, the strongest stocks, is pulling back 2%. So it's not just SMCI. So if you see the market, guys, if you see the market right now, it is trending down. We have a bit of fear. We have a bit of red day. As you can see here in the biggest stocks, the blue chip company, Tesla 7% down, Amazon 1%, Microsoft, Nvidia, many stocks that are strong are down today. So it's not confirming that SMCI is down. So if all the market is green and SMCI is down, yes, I'm telling you, yeah, we have focus for the short sellers just shorting SMCI, but the sentiment of the market is pulling back, or a correction, whatever you want to call it, because we got almost 50% jump in a few days. So right now we're correcting. In today's video, guys, we have to discuss where the price will reverse, because now since let me just check here. Since the 19th of February, last week, we got a pullback of almost 32% in just 5 days. Not to mention, let's say 3 days, because we don't have to count the weekends. So in just 3 or 4 days, we have a pullback almost 32%. So now we should have a bit of reversal and pullback for SMCI. But when? This is the most important thing to note. When will happen? Because this is the most important thing in the market, is to know when the price will go out, the place and the time. As you know, in the quantum world, you can know the position and the momentum of the electron. The same with stock market. We can kind of predict where the price will go. For the price to hit, let's say, for the current situation is the 43.50. However, is really hard to predict when. So it's kind of, there's a connection between the quantum world and even our real world, if you know how to look and make the connection. Everything is connected, guys, if you know where to look. So in today's video, we have to discuss how or when the price will go. At least we try to be more precise, even though it's really hard to predict because it depends on many factors, but we try to know when the price will go on just one critical level that we're gonna discuss in today's video. And of course, guys, hit the like and subscribe if you just watched this video for the first time by luck or by YouTube algorithm. Remember, tomorrow we're gonna go live every day, not just tomorrow, around 9 a.m. Eastern time. And of course, before that, on our Discord and Patreon, if you want to catch some stocks. For today, guys, we have a huge stock that jumped. We suggest to take profit exactly on our live streaming that we discuss here on our Discord before even the jump happened, once the price was around the 3. And we have the exit, of course, once the market opened around the $7 when we discuss it on our YouTube live streaming that we did today. This is it. This is it. We're gonna flush down now. Time for a flush or waffle. Exactly, man. So once we tested this level of resistance, we said WAFU or waffle is gonna flush down and see what's happened. After we took our profit, the price flushed down like crazy. So this is a really great example for you guys to know how to exit at the right moment. Anyway, for now, we have to come back to SMCI and discuss the price target for this week and where the price will go for it. In the meantime, let's get right to it. Hit the like button on the way in. And of course, let's dive deeper and discuss SMCI for the price target for tomorrow at least. For now, guys, we've broken the support around the $50. And now we got near the 43.52. This is the level that we should watch out for, guys, for confirmation for a reversal up. Why? Because we're already pulled back almost 32%, a good sizable discount. Plus, if we still have the whale holding the price over the 43.52, we should have a drastic reversal. Like today in pre-market, we have unusual buyer, for my opinion, before the market opened. We have a huge buyer here. We jumped almost 12%, but we got shorted out on the 56 and we dived down. So now by tomorrow or even today, we should consolidate here before a retest the 49 or around the 49.50. So this is the first sign for SMCI started to reverse up. So if we don't break this orange line and go below the 43.52, yes, I'm gonna tell you guys, yeah, we might have a flush and there's something the insiders know we don't know, or we might never meet the deadline, as everybody fearing from the deadline. SMCI will never meet the deadline and of course will be delisted. So this is really big fear and big threat for SMCI. However, if we met the deadline and everything is good, we should hold over the 43.52. Breaking the 49.17 will confirm everything that SMCI started to reverse up and of course will go toward the 56. After that, the 62 and the 66. So this is the major resistance after that for SMCI to break from and of course go toward the 75. In the meantime, we have to consolidate here. This is the trick, guys. The timing for a breakout from the 49.50 is not knowable until we break that level. As we discussed before, the analogy with quantum world is impossible to know the position and the momentum at the same time. For trading, you can't know the position at the same time, the timing of a breakout, because it depends on many factors that we can actually control. So in the meantime, the one signal that we have to watch out for, or the alert that we have to put at the moment to confirm SMCI will start to reverse, is breaking the 49.50, holding the 43.50 in order to go higher once again. And of course, sign for us that the price it is started to reverse up after this major pullback. For now, just watch out, because even if we dipped in any case, we might have some kind of scenario that we might dip and we have a wick. Even if we dipped, we have to hold over the 41. So we have to have a range for SMCI because it's a bit volatile around the 41 and the 43.52. So if for any case, if we have a kind of a fake out or a wick around this range, we should have a huge reversal, quick reversal, in order to confirm that we have a big buyer. Like what happened here on the earnings, we have a big buyer bought around this dip around the 31.13 and the price reversed up. So in the same scenario, we need to have a reversal here going up to the 56 and go higher once again. We're going to discuss SMCI in depth by tomorrow around 9 a.m. Eastern time. So join us, guys, for deeper dive for the price action for SMCI. And of course, if you want to have early access, join us in Discord and Patreon in the link in comment section below. If you don't know where you find the link, it is really easy. Just below the video or the live streaming that we usually do, you can actually find the link down below, and you click it and will directly toward our Patreon. And of course, after that, you have access to our Discord. And of course, don't forget to hit this beautiful like button on the video and the way out or on the way in. Thank you for watching and see you by tomorrow.